My name's David Frost. I drive the recycling trucks and I work out of Builder Street in Llandudno. I've been doing this job, the same job for 10 years now. An average day starts, I get to the yard about 6:30 in the morning to make sure that I do my checks on the wagon. Leave the yard about 6:45. Start our job about 7 o'clock at the first house. My job is a driver, loader. So I help the lads as much as I can in that side of it, and also control what goes on in the wagon, as in crushing cardboard, lifting the plastic, making sure the bays are clear, ready for the plastic and cardboard to go in, crushing it all. We have a very short break and then we go to tip the wagon. So ours are tipped twice a day. And we go to Abergele to the bulking station to do that. Day finishes when the last box goes on, basically, and the wagon gets emptied. And then it's back to Builder Street for our drop the wagon off and home. It varies. Thursday, Friday, we're in the rural areas, so it tends to be more farming communities. The local areas, we tend to do a little bit more, approximately 500 boxes a day. We are, and it's become more apparent how frontline service we are. If we hadn't done our jobs during lockdown, everywhere would be a mess. There's been a lot more extra for us to do, because obviously people have been furloughed, so people are at home more, a lot more recycling, a lot more cardboard, with people not only working from home, they're having home deliveries. So it has intensified the job and made it a lot heavier, but it shows how important the recycling side of it is. What we do try and do with the cardboard aspect of things is we do try to put it in piles at the end of roads and stuff, so that when the van comes along, it's one pile rather than going to each property. Plus there's more chance of it blowing away when you're just leaving it all over the place. So we try to compact it, put it in one area, and then that can be collected quite easily by the van then. Christmas is our busiest period by far. You have the home deliveries with the cardboard, the shopping that people are doing. A lot more paper is produced through the wrapping paper and presents and things. So there is a lot more, but the system's a lot better now because it is actually being used again and recycled again. A tremendous amount of plastic is produced. I don't think people realise how much plastic actually goes to the bulking station. That everybody stays safe and that everybody who's got COVID gets better. I think that's the best thing to hope, and that next year everybody has a brighter, prosperous year. But for us, we've served our communities, we've done the best jobs that we possibly can. I think the council have done everything they can to protect us while we're on the front line. And I think, as I say, next year with the vaccines coming on board now, let's just hope that everybody has a better year next year.